Namaste, it's me Prashant Aryal. I am from Tarkeshwar Municipality, Ward number 3. I am the student of management and I have completed my bachelor in BBS from Public Youth Campus. I am the president of Youth Jagaran Club. Our club conducted various programs for the empowerment of youth to mobilize their skill. With the collaboration of BHIN, we gather various people from our locality. So we have conducted various program like entrepreneurship, from which they can get the knowledge how to start and set up their business, how they can get benefit, and how can they mobilize their organization, and also which also helps to uplift their knowledge, not only for their career. Also we also conduct physical fitness program. We conduct football tournament, so that they can improve their physical stamina. The objectives of our club uh, is to gather youth, to mobilize their knowledge, to encourage them, to provide various facility by collaboration with BHIN as well as government institution also. Now we are in the process to move legally, and we are going to register our youth club so that it can be a form legal entity and we can go legally. We can also get the help from the government to achieve something in the fields of youth empowerment. We are expecting that BHIN can play a significant role in to support the youth. It can conduct a various skill development program, life skill training for youth, so that youth can do better in their future. We are looking for a good collaboration with BHIN so that we can do better in our future. Thank you.